Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about these magic cat balls. They make your cats happier and healthier. They are catnip, silvervine, and gall fruit, which are natural herbs that are harmless to your cat but make them temporarily excited and willing to play. So we have some cats here at home and we can't wait to give it to them. Here in the pack it comes with knowledge tips and a little Q&A section so you know the answer to any questions you might already have when getting this product. You also get the residue-free tapes. You get 3 of them and a little instruction card on how to use them. And then we have the gall fruit ball, the catnip ball, the silvervine ball, and an extra one called cat energy sugar. So they help a lot for your cat. These 3 in particular help in digestion, excrete hairballs, and they come with natural ingredients. And this one stimulates drinking, balanced nutrition, excrete hairballs, and improves eyesight. So let's get one of them open and set up. Alright, you guys, I actually installed it here so you guys can see this sticks like no other, but it is not impossible to remove, you guys. I'm actually going to leave it here for a second so I can show you guys that it will not fall. This is how the little ball looks. This is the catnip one, and it spins around as your cat licks it. And if you ever need to close it off so you can either store it away or your cat lost interest for a little bit, you can always close it off. Super easy and quick. I absolutely think that these are going to be great for our cats. They actually help them have like a burst of energy, and they can even drool or roll into the ground. They're having fun, and cats usually play for around 3 minutes until they lose interest, but you shouldn't be doing this kind of thing, giving it to them more than 3 times a week. 3 times a week is the sweet spot, but you can give them a little treat a couple of days a week so they can lick it and have a little fun. Check these products out, you guys. They're so incredible.